Hey divas, welcome to Phillydivashair. I'm coming to a review because I am making a frontal wig and it's going to be a 12-inch frontal, ear to ear, and it's going to be 12, 14, and 16 inches. Now I'm going to try to fit all three bundles into this wig, but 9 out of 10 it never works out that way. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, but first I want to show you how the packaging and everything comes when you order from Phillydivashair. Well, if you order online. And I'll have the link and everything below to the sale. Now, the sale that I have going on right now, you can get 3 bundles and a ear-to-ear frontal for the price of $268.29. And that's my birthday sale that I got going on. So let's get into this video. Are you ready?
I don't have like one like black. I have one being natural. This is the natural color. This is all the bundles together. The 12, 14. Yeah, here we go. All the bundles together. And this is how thick all the wefts are together. See how thick they are? Nice and thick and full. Look at the ends. Look at it. That looks good, y'all. Beautiful. And here is the 14-inch frontal. You can see all it together. How beautiful that's going to look, y'all. This wig gonna be popping. I'm gonna try to use 2 bundles. This wig is going to. Alright, so now I have the hair already installed. I came to the conclusion that when I came to make the wig did not fit, so I could not use it. So I'm gonna speed this video up just a little bit. So I end up gluing my hair in the back and using Gorilla Snot gel on my edges, and just going in and filling everything up in between. I went on and used the elastic band to hold down the frontal in the front, and I have no gel, no glue, no nothing on my hair. So now you're just going to see me comb all the hair out and basically style it. I was very upset because I really wanted to make this into a wig that I could take on and off, but due to the wig only not being able to fit my head, and then on top of that I was out of wig cap, so I was very, and mind you, I'm taping this 3 o'clock in the morning, so I was very highly upset. I had no choice and I wanted to get this video done, so I had no choice but to glue my hair down into the back and attach the elastic band to the frontal, sewed it on the ear to ear sides, and then I connected to the back and just glued over top of the elastic band and keep sewing up until I got to the frontal. So the hair is definitely flat. I do have a little bit of baby hairs that I tried to do on my own. I don't like a lot of baby hairs, but I'm going to try to pluck this frontal to get it as natural as it can be. Now, I already plucked the frontal when I did bleach the knots, but I'm just going to go in and follow up just a little bit more. Put some gel right here down so it can lay down my edges, my real natural hair back, because I have not had a perm in my hair, so therefore my hair continued to keep curling up. So I'm going to use the blow dryer just to lay my natural hair down so the frontal can be easier to be set on the front of my head. So I'm just air drying that, just laying that down nice and smooth. I did not want to use no glue or anything like that because I want this to be a glueless video that I was doing. So this is basically just gelling down my hair and pushing the lace down on top of my hair that I have slicked back. So yes, I didn't end up making a wig, but I did end up doing my first sewing on it. I wish I would have recorded, but I was just so frustrated and I just want to hurry up and get done and get to bed. So as you see right here, I'm using a red cell clone and going ahead and cutting a little bit of baby hairs down. Sorry for my scissors, they are not professional scissors, but I'm using what I have because I couldn't find nothing at this time of night. So I'm just going ahead, just trying to make it look even more natural. So it just won't, just look like a wig. I'm just trying to make it look realistic like I would do it if I can take it on and off my head. So I'm going to do the same thing I did to the other side, to this side as well. I did use a little bit of spritz to lay my natural hair down. For some reason, it makes my hair harder and it just helps it out a little bit. So I'm going to make a little bit of baby hairs like I did on the opposite side on the right side too. So now basically I'm just evening it up. You never want to have too much baby hairs because then it won't look so realistic. And since this was a non-baby hair frontal, I did want to take the chance out to do it on our own. I do have frontals that comes with baby hairs, but I wanted to make my own. As you see, you can part anywhere you want throughout the whole entire frontal. Even as far as the back, that's how far it goes. So now my frontal is a little bulky. So now I need to get it at a flat base. So therefore I'm going to use some mousse to get my frontal to lay flat down the way that I need it to lay. So it won't be looking all bulky and it doesn't look realistic if it's bulky. So I'm just going to use a little bit of mousse just to lay it flat down. Just to give me a more natural look. Sorry for my face. I have no makeup on and I look crazy. The hair, I haven't got any shedding anything. I did split the tracks in between each track, and glued them down. So I have all three bundles in my head. So now now that I came to complete and with that, now I'm going to begin wine curling the hair just to give it some nice tighter curls, but then I'm going to also comb it out as well. So these are wine curls I got from my local beauty supply store. They only cost about $20. So I am sectioning hair off while I am wine curling, and I also go through it with the comb or with my fingertips. The hair is still soft and it's holding a beautiful curl as well. So when you wine curling your hair, you do want to take your time because you do not want to pull on the lace. And I didn't want the lace to fall, like peel back. But the lace is on completely tight. Now I'm completely done. Now I'm just going to shake it around. I definitely like the way that it came out. The curls are beautiful. And please give this video 2 thumbs up if you can. Please like and share and tell a friend. And if you need any information about this hair, everything will be linked below. Thanks for watching. And remember, the diva is always in you.